Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we bring you a different and very practical tutorial. In this video we'll show you how to make a simple lamp tester. For this project we'll be using a standard lamp holder commonly found in homes, known as the E27 Edison screw with a 27mm base. However, you can also use other types of holders such as E14, the candle style holder, often used in chandeliers and decorative lights, to create different versions of the tester. The main purpose of building this device is to have an easy way to check the health of your light bulbs at home. Many people have to climb a ladder and screw the bulb into a sailing socket just to test it, which can be inconvenient. With this tester, the job becomes much easier. Also, in our upcoming videos, we'll use the tester to teach you how to repair SMD bulbs and much more. So follow along carefully as we build it step by step. Here is what you'll need. A small fruit knife. An old or dull one works perfectly. A small or medium wire cutter. A working light bulb with a standard base. A lamp holder, preferably wall mounted, or round if that's what you have. A small Phillips screwdriver. A plug, or any compatible connected depending on your country's standard. About 1 meter of standard wire with suitable thickness. First, strip both ends of the 2-wire cable using the cutter. Separate the 2 strands carefully so you don't damage the core. Then strip about 1 cm of insulation. Twist the copper strands tightly so they stay together. And fold the end back about half of a centimeter. Repeat this for all 4 ends of the wire. If you have a proper wire stripper, it's even better for a clean finish. But for this video, we'll use a simple cutter that's available in every household. Next, take the plug apart by unscrewing it and separating the plastic housing with the knife. Loosen the 2 small screws that hold the wires. Insert the cables and adjust their length. Then tighten the terminal screws firmly enough so the wires don't move, but not so tight that they get crushed. Place the terminals back into the housing. Tighten the strain relief screws and close the plug by reattaching the cover. Now move on to the lamp holder. Loosen the two screws, insert the wires carefully, and tighten the screws again. Not too tight to avoid damaging the wires. That's it, the lamp tester is now ready. To test it, screw the working bulb into the socket. Plug the tester into a power outlet. And as you can see, it works perfectly. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Also, feel free to leave your questions and comments below. We'll reply as soon as possible. Make sure to build this tester at home because we'll definitely need it in our upcoming tutorials. See you in the next video. Take care.